I am sick and tired of paying 10, 20, 30 bucks for tiny, puny, infinitesimally small 3D printed parts for my drone. And especially for the micro drones that I have, like the Tyro 69, which barely cost $70 for the drone itself, for the kit itself. I spent about 20 bucks for a camera canopy, and that was the last straw. That's when I decided I want to buy a 3D printer. And as you can see in the video, I am putting together my own Reality Ender 3. So if you guys are on the edge whether to buy a 3D printer or even considering buying a 3D printer, please go ahead and buy it. You can just be doing yourself a huge favor, because if you're in the hobby of FPV drones, you're probably going to end up spending $200, $300 for every drone that you build. And a 3D printer is not even going to cost you that much. The Ender 3 is going to cost you about $230 if you go to Micro Center close to your place. Um, I suggest you do that. And at this point, I am really getting into 3D printing as well. I've built a bunch of parts just to upgrade the 3D print itself, and also some of the TPU parts for my drones. I got the video here of a time lapse or octolapse, if you want to call it, of me printing a bunch of parts. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more on the same, and hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think about the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.